Ever seen that dreaded check engine light illuminate on your dashboard? It's a common sight that often brings a wave of concern. Today, we're diving deep into a specific code, P0440. This signals a malfunction within your vehicle's evaporative emission control system. Understanding P0440 is crucial. The EVAP system plays a vital role in controlling harmful emissions and maintaining your car's fuel efficiency. So, what exactly is the EVAP system? It's a complex network designed to prevent gasoline vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. Key components include the charcoal canister, which stores fuel vapors, and the purge valve, controlling vapor flow to the engine. Then there's the vent valve, regulating fresh air intake, and the fuel tank pressure sensor, monitoring system integrity. Together, these parts work seamlessly. When your engine is off, the system captures fuel vapors from the tank. Once the engine is running, the purge valve opens, drawing these stored vapors into the engine to be burned, rather than released. Now, let's explore the common culprits behind a P0440 code. The most frequent cause is surprisingly simple: a loose or faulty gas cap. A damaged or improperly sealed gas cap allows vapors to escape, triggering the check engine light. Next, inspect your vacuum hoses. Over time, these can crack, become brittle, or disconnect, creating leaks in the system. A faulty purge valve is another common issue. If it's stuck open or closed, it disrupts the proper flow of fuel vapors. Similarly, a malfunctioning vent valve can prevent the system from venting correctly, leading to pressure imbalances. Charcoal canister issues, such as saturation or damage, can also trigger P0440. This prevents proper vapor storage. Finally, don't overlook potential leaks in the fuel tank itself. These can be harder to spot, but are critical to address. Beyond the check engine light, P0440 can manifest in other ways. You might notice a decrease in your car's fuel economy. Some drivers experience difficulty starting the engine, especially right after refueling, due to pressure issues, and a strong fuel odor around your vehicle is a clear indicator that fuel vapors are escaping the system. So, how do you tackle P0440? Start with the simplest fix. Check and tighten your gas cap. It often resolves the issue. Next, perform a visual inspection. Look for any cracked, disconnected, or damaged vacuum hoses and EVAP components. An OBData scanner is your best friend here. Use it to read the P0440 code and clear it after making repairs. For more advanced diagnosis, you might need to test components like the purge and vent valves using a vacuum pump, or if you're unsure or the problem persists, don't hesitate to seek professional help from a certified mechanic. Prevention is key. Always ensure your gas cap is properly sealed after refueling. It's a simple habit that saves trouble. Regular vehicle maintenance, including checks of your EVAP system components, can prevent future P0440 codes. Remember, a functional EVAP system isn't just about your car. It's about protecting our environment by reducing harmful emissions. Don't ignore P0440. Address it promptly to keep your vehicle running efficiently and contribute to a cleaner planet.